Introducing the Master 5401 key storage box. This simple to use unit is ideal for the storage of a small number of keys and is operated via a 4-digit combination lock. The Master 5401 comes factory set to 4 zeros. To change the code, input your 4 zeros and open the unit up. To change the combination, push the reset button across and up. Now select any 4-digit code of your choice. In this instance, we're changing the code to 1001. Once your combination has been put in, return the reset button to its original position. With the door open, check your code several times to make sure that it's correct before locking the unit.